I turned the Hungry Crow fable into a fully animated short story video using AI and Canva. And the craziest part, most people still don't know Canva even has these amazing AI features built in. This isn't some super expensive pro editing setup. In fact, I've made thousands of faceless videos using mostly free tools over the past few years, and this process still surprises creators who've been at it for years using more expensive tools. In this video, I'll walk you through everything, from making the script to the visuals and voiceover until we put it all together. If you're trying to make story-based content without showing your face, this will change how you see AI forever. Let's get started.
Alright, so to start, I've come to ChatGPT and I've asked it to help me write a story, listing each scene separately with the image prompts and also video motion directions, so I can make a video about the Thirsty Crow fable. So it's given me the scene-by-scene breakdown, the image prompts, and more. Perfect, here's the video script broken into scenes just like I asked it to. So here's the first scene with the voiceover, the image prompt, and camera motion directions. So now that I've got all this, I'll make some edits and then I'm all ready to go. Next, I'll take this story and make a voiceover. Alright, so I've come to text-to-speech OpenAI and I'll paste the narration text for my story here. This AI app is very easy to use and it's also free. Come over here and you can listen to any of these voices. To do that, just click on sample and you can hear what the voice really sounds like. They have a lot of different ones to choose from. For this particular video, I chose Silas. Once I've added my text here and I've chosen the voice that I want to use, it's time to click on Create Speech. You can change even the speech speed if you need to. Now it is creating the narration for me. Once it's finished, I'll be able to listen to it, and if it's correct, then I can download it. If you want to download it, just click right here. If you want to listen to it, click right here. Now it's time to go on to the next step.
Alright, so now I'm in Canva and I'm going to show you how I made some images for this video I'm making about the Thirsty Crow. I'll show you how I did it. So basically I came to the home page, then I clicked on Canva AI over here, or you could have clicked on it up here. And then I clicked on Create an Image. Here are some of the pictures I've already made for this video. So I went back to ChatGPT and grabbed an image prompt, then I came back to Canva and I pasted them in here one at a time. So for example, when you look at this image, here is the prompt. Let me show you how to do that. So go back up here and put your prompt there. Then choose your aspect ratio and your favorite style. You have many to choose from. Then click here. Now it'll start making your images. And here they are. So you see the process. Canva will take your prompt and create amazing images for you. If you want to upscale them, which I highly suggest, you click here to do that. And then you just do the same process for each of your images for every scene until you're done. And once you're through with that, it's time to go on to the next step.
So now I'm inside a site called Freepic. There are all sorts of things you can do in here. You can make images, vectors, videos, and all kinds of stuff. I'm going straight to the AI suite. In here, you'll see all the different things available. There's a background remover, video upscaler, lip sync, mockup generator, and more. Personally, I love Freepic. It's just a great site. I'll show you the pricing real quick. It's very affordable. The cheapest plan, if you pay annually, is under $6 a month. Well worth it, and a lot cheaper than many other AI sites. There's also a commercial license, which is wonderful. If you need even more, you can always upgrade. So when you're creating videos especially, and that's what I'm working on right now, you have access to generators like Kling, Minimax, Runway, Pixverse, Luma, and several I'm not even going to try to pronounce the names of. Today, I'm using Kling 2.0. Here are some of the things that I've already made here. Here's the prompt. Here is the video info. If I wanted to reuse it, I could. Check this out. You can see the grass is moving in the background. The crow is calling, sitting on a jar. So amazing! When you're ready, you can click here to download it. Now I'll show you how to actually make a video in here. So go back to video, go to mode, and choose one. Click on that, and the start image goes here. So let me drag this one over. There's my starting image. Freepic will automatically describe what it sees in the scene, but you can change this if you want to. Then just work your way down. In effects, you have all these to choose from. I'll use this. You can also choose different times and ratios. When you're ready, click on Generate. So once you've made all your mini videos, now it's time to take them all back to Canva, where we're going to put it together and make our final full-length video.
All right, now I'm in Canva, and I've already started the video. So when I was on the home screen, I went to Video, chose Landscape, and it opened up a blank page like this. And then I started adding in my pre-made videos, one on each page. Let me show you how to do that. If you look at uploads, you can see I've already uploaded a few crow videos in here. Next, I added them one at a time, here, on the pages. I'll show you how to upload a video or sound into Canva. So I'll take this video and drag it in, just like that. And there's my new video ready to use. I'll add it right there. Next, I'll click on it, and then click on Set Video as Background, so it'll fill the whole page. Next, I'll add simple dissolve transitions between each page, so nothing fancy. I'll also add in some crow sounds. Let me get those real quick. I'll drag them in here, and there they are in the audio section. Now all you have to do to add those is put your cursor wherever you want the sound to be. Then I'll click on it to make it quieter. If you want to listen to them first, you just click on the triangle over here, then you can hear the actual sound. And that's how you do that. This purple area is the actual narration of the man telling the story. And then you just add, in order, a mini video for each scene to make the full video. I've created tiny videos for each scene, and then I just drag them over here one at a time. And then I add my sounds as I want to. But that's basically the process. So every full video is just a collection of mini videos. Underneath is the narration, and under that are sound effects, etc. But once your video is done, all you have to do is come up here to File, go to Download, go to MP4, make sure all your pages are chosen, and then hit Download. And that's the process from start to finish. Now it's time for you to try making some videos of your own.
On a scorching hot summer day, a hungry and very thirsty crow flew across the forest countryside, looking for even a drop of water. Just when the crow was about to give up, he spotted something shiny down in the grass. It was a mason jar-type bottle sitting in a pile of rocks. And just inside, there was a little bit of water. But there was a problem. The neck of the bottle was too narrow for him to get to the water. His beak just couldn't reach it. He stood there and thought for a few minutes, frustrated and thirsty. And then, a clever idea popped into his head. He walked over and picked up pebbles, laying near the bottle one by one, and started dropping them into the bottle. Bit by bit, the water level rose as he dropped in more pebbles, until at last, the crow could drink. The crow wasn't the strongest animal in the forest, but today he was the most clever, and sometimes that's all you need.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.